Hello and welcome to another Workshop Wednesdays. We're with me, Dan, from the workshop, obviously, and today we're going to be doing a little tour of what we've got going on this week. There's plenty to be seeing, lots of cool builds, so come on, let's go take a look. Okay, so let's go see Tom. Loads going on as always. Tom hasn't been home in about 2 weeks now. Tom.
Hello, mate.
Right.
Finally taller than you.
Yeah, we're doing a role reverse today. I'm going to be talking to you about what you're doing.
What am I doing?
Whilst I am,
Well, I'm actually currently fitting a wheel carrier on this customer's van.
Cool.
Obviously the van's in build. One of the processes I need to do before I can fit the internals part of the tailgate is to actually fit that, because I need to put the bolts through and stuff.
Cool.
Which I think you're going to help me with later on.
Yeah, I've been giving you a little hand, haven't I? We've got a lot going on this month. Big month for us, some really bespoke builds going on for you, isn't there, as always?
There is, mate. There is. A lot in, a lot out. Yeah, it's a bit...
release of the T7, which is a small build that you've been doing.
It's not a small build.
But
what are you looking at today anyway, just out of interest?
So we're going to be looking at Robbie Builds. This is a customer of ours that you've been building another van for. He's already had one, he's having his second, isn't he?
He is, yeah. That one's quite tasty, actually.
Let's go take a look.
See you in a mo.
And here we are, one of the last high-spec vans that we have here at VanHaven. T32, 4Motion, Caravelle, on AirRide, and a whole load of other custom bits that we're just about to run through. So let's go have a little look, see what Tom's been up to on this van, and we'll walk you through it. First things first, our full carbon bespoke kit. So when you spec one of these with us at VanHaven, we can paint it as to how you want it. So you can have it faded, you can have it satin, you can have it gloss. Robbie has opted to have it in a gloss, which really sets off well against this Fortana red. We've got AirRide. This van will go up, it will go down, it will go off-road, it will self-level as well. So at the moment we are on sport setting, judging by that ride height. This is a drive level height, but we can set it a little bit lower if we want. We can go a bit higher. This is really going to make the most of the 4Motion capabilities that we have got, being the fact that it's a 204 and a long wheelbase. This will probably drive quite well off-road with the chunky tyres as well. Robbie's going to be able to go off-site, he's going to go camping, take it wherever he wants. He's going to have absolutely no issues. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly mention about Robbie's last van from us. So he had ABP Air, which is a slightly different air that we offer through VanHaven. It's a show AirRide, which will give you more of a low setting. Doesn't provide as much comfort as VB. VB's more based on a comfort ride. We'll show you a little clip of what Robbie's old van looked like. But yeah, if you're looking for more of a show van, let's go look at ABP for you. However, you're looking for a comfort, it will go high, it will go low, it will self-level, then we'd look at VB. So the side steps, let's get onto these. Again, another one of one that we have done. These side steps, whichever door we look to open, they come out. Now we can do this for anyone. So as we get in and out of this will come out as we open the doors, but also close in. So yeah, totally maintenance free, takes care of itself. Okay. Look at that. So, looks like Tom's installed a few lights here, all controlled by this right here. I can change every single setting. This is a really impressive system. Again, this is the first time that we've done this. Tom's done a brilliant job, not only the roof, but the floor lights as well. Okay, so cognac brown. This is the first time that we've done cognac. Looking at it, maybe not your first choice of colour, but once it's in the van and done, I absolutely love it. It's always great when we get a customer approach us and wants to do something a little bit different than your usual blacks and greys, although there's nothing wrong with that. But we can do other stuff as well. Just give us some ideas. Let's have a look. Blinds. So Tom has managed to build this into the door panel, so it's all integrated. So yeah, super smooth. I really like that. Again, we've not really done this before, but as we sort of step the level up and up month by month, we're becoming even more bespoke and more unique. So yeah, well done to Tom on this. So as we follow up to the panels here, this is really discreet, but most people wouldn't even realize that this here is the ducting for all of our air conditioning and heating system that is going to look after all of the people in the back. So along here are the channels that will blow freezing cold air into the rear of the van. Now this is totally unique to these vans because they come into us as a panel van. So it's literally 2 seats in the front and that's it. You get no heating in the back, no aircon in the back. VW can sometimes do that from factory, but there's no way near that it as good as this. The way that that's all controlled is by this control panel that we've got in the back. Along with a diesel heater, we can either have it piping hot in here or absolutely freezing cold, whatever time of the year it is. So you're gonna be nice and comfortable in the back of this lovely wagon. Powering all of this, we've got a leisure battery system in here with a Victron inverter. So what that's going to mean is we've got 3-pin electric sockets in the back, so we can power up anything household in the back through the Victron inverter. We've started doing a lot of Victron now. I know it's quite common in the industry to have Victron, but it's the levels in which you can take it. Give us a shout about that because we can really start to level up on our Victron setups now. Andy in the workshop has managed to put together some really good packages. So yeah, give us a shout on that one. 12-volt electrics, we've got USB power, we've got cigarette chargers. So whatever is needed in the back here, we've got ports on both sides. We've got them behind us as well, so that all of the people in this van are going to be well hooked up with mains electric. I can see here that Tom's done a full Alpine audio upgrade. This is really smart. So we've got, amongst everything in the front, upgraded speakers in the back as well. So this is going to be sounding really good. So let me show you the back of this, because that's where all the compressors are for the air conditioning. Now, not everyone's going to be so interested in this, but for me, I'd love just to quickly show you how that's been put together, because what Tom's done is really special here. So let's go check that out. Okay, so here's where the magic happens. Now, we've been working really closely with BESPOKE over the last few months to develop this. This is totally unique to VanHaven, so I don't think you're going to find this anywhere else, which is really good for us. Andy, well done on organising all that, because the amount of hours that have gone in to make this system work is incredible, and I didn't think it could be done at first. But this is where it is, really small. This isn't going to affect hardly any of your boot space in here. You think having big compressors to power all this system would mean that you'd lose some headroom or boot space, but you don't. It's so smooth, and the way that Tom's been able to make the speakers work with this, and I didn't even realise, but he's managed to fit a sub in as well. So if you're leaning over, I'm 6'5", and to be honest with you, this isn't affecting my headroom at all leaning over. So yeah, what Tom's been able to do there and finish it off as well is really, really smart. And from my point of view, I haven't fitted any of these systems yet, but I'm really impressed by the way that Tom's been able to put this together. Not only does it function well, it's going to be ice cold, but it looks the part as well, and it's finished off nice. So yeah. Going back to the blinds again, I know we were talking about that in the front, but also in the back. How smooth is it? So again, full panel, lights are integrated into the main system. Blinds go up, they go down, but they look dead smart as well. And these poppers that we've got that are going on here in the copper bronze are dead smart. So yeah, really smooth. I like it a lot. I know a lot of time's been put onto those as well. Thank you so much for choosing VanHaven again. We're really grateful that customers, first of all, come here and buy vans, but second of all, want to stick with us year on year. We do summer parties now, and we see all you guys around. You're always welcome in, have a tea, have a coffee, have a beer. We've got a new bar coming, I understand. So yeah, thank you for choosing VanHaven again. This is a really special build, and I'm really impressed by the work that's gone on by the guys here in order to put this together. So we'd like to thank you guys for watching as well. We've got plenty of these coming now for the rest of this year. We'll be trying to do this every Wednesday and being consistent with the uploads. So yeah, stick around for that. Thank you very much.